welcome to the channel Destiny. Let's start current affairs of 22nd of April 2021. First question. Priyanka Mohite becomes first Indian woman to scale which mountain? Answer is a D. Annapurna. Annapurna is the 10th highest peak in the world and Priyanka Mohite is from Maharashtra's Satara district. Next, who has been officially sworn in as the first secretary of the Communist Party of Cuba following the resignation of Raul Castro? Answer is A. Manuel Diaz-Canel. Capital of Cuba is Havana. Currency is peso. Next, G. Venkat Subbiah passed away. He was a renowned lexicographer. Lexicographer is the one who compiles dictionary and he compiled 12 dictionaries. He was also a noted Kannada writer and a recipient of Padma Shri Award. Next, who has won the ATP Masters 1000 Series tennis tournament? Answer is a D. Stefanos Tsitsipas. He defeated Andrei Rublev. Next, renowned politician, diplomat and the lawyer Walter Mondale passed away recently. He was a former vice president of which country? Answer is a C. USA, United States of America. Capital of USA is Washington DC. Currency is United States dollar. President is Joe Biden. Vice President is Kamala Harris, who is an Indian American. We'll see some of the books of Joe Biden. These are Promise Me Dad and Promises to Keep. Next, according to the Global Energy Review 2021 released by International Energy Agency, global CO2 emission expected to increase by what percent in 2021 as compared to 2022? As compared to 2020. Answer is A. 5%. Here 5% is means it will increase by 1.5 billion tons. This is because a strong rebound in a demand for a coal in electricity generation. Next, International Energy Agency headquartered in Paris, France, founded in 1974. Executive Director is Dr. Fatih Birol. Some of the organizations which are headquartered in Paris are UNESCO and OECD. Next, World Creativity and Innovation Day is observed globally every year on which date? Answer is B. 21st of April. The creativity and innovation sector is a highly transformative sector of the world economy in terms of income generation, job creation and export earning. So we are celebrating World Creativity and Innovation Day. Next, in India, National Civil Services Day is celebrated every year on which date? Answer is A. 21st of April. This is to appreciate the work done by IAS, IES, IAF officers. And on this day, the country's first Home Minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel addressed the newly appointed Administrative Services Officer. Next, ITBP, that is Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force Water Sports and Adventure Institute inaugurated where? Answer is A. Tehri in Uttarakhand. Here, this water sports and adventure institute will be increasing. It will boost the national and international tourism and it will increase the opportunity of the employment for the peoples of a state. Next, we'll see ITBP Director General is S.S. Deshwal, Surjit Singh Deshwal, headquartered in New Delhi, established on 24th of October 1962. Uttarakhand CM is Trivendra Singh Rawat, Governor is Baby Rani Maurya. Next, central government has extended the insurance scheme under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan package for the health workers for how much period? Answer is A. 1 year. It is extended by 1 year. We'll see what is this. It was launched to provide a safety net to the health workers to ensure that In case of any adversity due to the COVID-19, their families are taken care of. Here insurance cover of a 50 lakhs is provided. Next, mining firm Vedanta has launched which program for MSME sector? Answer is a D, Sathi. Through this scheme, company will be creating industrial parks and clusters for the MSME in metals, mining and oil and gas. Company will provide finances, raw materials and will provide a R&D facilities, that is research and development facilities. Next, name the former governor of the Reserve Bank of India. Name the former governor of Reserve Bank of India, also known as the father of Indian banking reforms, who passed away recently. Answer is A, M. Narasimha. He was known as the father of banking reforms because he did some of the important reforms. We'll see some of the panels formed by RBI. That is one panel formed by RBI to analyze asset reconstruction companies, which was headed by Sudarshan Sen. Another panel for evaluating the application for small finance banks and universal bank, which was headed by Shamal Gopinath. And another one was for analysis of a digital lending risk, that was headed by Jayant Kumar Das. Next, which state has launched Jan Anushasan Pakwada to reduce the COVID cases? Answer is the C, Rajasthan. Capital of Rajasthan is the Jaipur. In Jaipur, India's first organ donation memorial is opened in Jaipur. CM of Rajasthan is Ashok Gehlot and Governor is Kalraj Mishra. Next, what is India's rank in the latest World Press Freedom Index 2021 released by international non-profit and non-governmental organization Reporters Without Border? Answer is A, 142nd. India stood 142nd among 180 countries, and this World Press Freedom Index was topped by Norway, and last two countries are North Korea and Eritrea. Eritrea is a 180th and North Korea is a 179th. Thank you. Do like, share and subscribe.